In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. You need to start by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold this line below your shortcuts and drag it down. Now it's time to look for Auto Rotate or Portrait shortcut. When you see one, click on it. As you can see, Auto Rotate is here, so when I click, it turns gray and it says Portrait. That means that Auto Rotation is now disabled. To enable it, click on Portrait shortcut until it says Auto Rotate and turns white. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!